Mastering the passive voice, making affirmative sentences shine. Hello learners. Today, we're going to dive into an important and interesting aspect of English grammar, the passive voice. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to use the passive voice in affirmative sentences. Let's get started. First, let's revisit what we mean by the term passive voice. In a nutshell, we use the passive voice when we want to emphasize the action being done, or the receiver of the action, rather than the person or thing doing the action. Here's an example. The cake was eaten by John. In this sentence, the focus is not on John, but on the fact that the cake has been eaten. Now, let's discuss how we can form affirmative sentences in the passive voice. Remember, an affirmative sentence is a positive statement. The structure for affirmative sentences in passive voice is object plus auxiliary verb, be, plus past participle of the main verb. For example, let's take the active sentence, John eats the cake. Transformed into passive, it becomes, the cake is eaten by John. Let's look at some more examples. Active, Mary solves the puzzle. Passive, the puzzle is solved by Mary. Active, they played the match. Passive, the match was played by them. Active, you will finish the project. Passive, the project will be finished by you. Remember, we often use the passive voice without the agent, the doer, of the action, when it's obvious, irrelevant, or unknown. Great job so far. Now it's your turn to practice. Try transforming these active sentences into passive. 1. The dog chases the cat. 2. We are planning the party. 3. She will bake cookies. Comment your answers below, and we'll review them in the next video. That's it for today's lesson. With practice and a little patience, you'll soon master the art of using the passive voice in affirmative sentences. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need a refresher. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal of mastering English grammar. See you in the next video.